CPL holders, there is a good news for all of you all. Air India Express has finally announced a vacancy for CPL holders. This has been much awaited for a lot of people. Working with Air India Express has a lot of perks. You get a lot of amazing layovers, you have a good pay, you also get an international exposure at a very low experience. And not to forget the good allowances as well. Golden Eplets Aviation is starting an Air India Express preparatory class for CPL holders. As you all are aware, we are the #1 pilot training institute and we have trained more than 1,000 CPL holders to be seated at the right side in the cockpit. These classes will be especially designed for the Air India Express examination. You will be given well-compiled notes. You will also be briefed on the history of the airlines, as this also forms a part of the written examination. So if this is the opportunity that you have been waiting for, don't waste any more time. Come quickly to Golden Eplets Aviation and straight away start with your preparatory classes. For any more queries, please contact us on the address and contact details mentioned below.